Hello, welcome back to the channel.
In this video, we'll show you how we restored old rusted garden chairs and changed them into classic like new pieces. This is how they looked like, and at one point we considered disposing of them, but instead we took a DIY challenge. We welded the broken joints, reinforced their structure and gave them a fresh coat of paint, bringing them back to life as beautiful classic pieces. Watch the transformation, watch the changes as it unfolds, and I don't want to spoil the fun. In this clip, we'll take you through the paint job process, as the welding had already been done, but over time, rust had started to form again. Luckily, it wasn't too late to save them. Watch as we show you step by step through the painting process, giving these chairs a fresh new look.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a go. As you can see here, the table is not so bad, but the chairs definitely they need some TLC. As you can see here, it's almost getting rusted, but it is still quite very strong. All right, first things first, goggles on, some gloves on. Yeah, let's get to work. As you can see, it's now looking a bit shiny. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I might not have explained what I'm doing and what this is for. The whole process of painting. So you have to first of all clean your object that you want to paint. So in the event of this has a bit of rust and it's got dust on it. And I just need to clean up all the dirty stuff and also just to make everything soft and smooth. So this is a nice cool machine, and this is just a sandpaper that is stuck here, and it just kind of like makes it easy to do the whole job. And then after that, I'm just gonna do a bit of dusting with this piece of cloth, and yeah, we'll be good to paint. I'm probably doing everything wrong, but let's see how it goes. So you can see here, very rusty and all this part, so I'm just gonna do it quickly and you can see the difference. So I've just done finishing the slime like I showed you before. I'm just gonna wipe this off. You can see now we now have a very smooth surface. This is what we want, as well as here it's now all nice and shiny. This is exactly what we want. So now I'm just gonna do the rest of the chairs. Sandpaper, it's all worn out, and I was beginning to hit into this machine. Hope you can all see. But now I'm just gonna try and remove this, and then I will add the new one. Okay, thank goodness it wasn't yet badly affected, so this should be as easy as just putting this one on top. So this is the placement, and then it's just a matter of sticking it nicely, and that's it. So let me finish the rest and then I'll show you what I did.
To achieve a very good paint job outcome, I had planned to buffer each and every chair one by one so that I can achieve a very smooth and flawless outcome. And this required a lot of time and a lot of patience.
All right, the dirty work has been done. I've done cleaning up all the chairs, so they're all ready for the actual work, the actual painting. So yeah, the cleaning part, the preparation part is the hardest. I found this tool very useful, and I'm just gonna show you quickly on how they look like now. They look much better. I sandpapered, and after that I used a cloth just to wipe it off. So as you can see here, all the chipness and the rust is now a bit smooth. I can actually run my finger without getting bumpy. Some here, it's now smooth, it's ready for painting. And if I can show you here, I hope you can see as well, still bumpy, but it's much better now. I can work with this. I know it's not perfect, but this is what I was looking for. It's a bit shiny, the rust is out, and this is now a bit smooth, and I'm able to put in my paint. So let's get to the job and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna be using this cup to put in my paint, and this is the paint that I'm using. It's enamel gloss paint. I'm using this paintbrush. It's a 38mm paintbrush. I'm just using my knife here just to see if I can open up this. I hope I get this okay. Let's see. Hey, there we go. Wow, this is how the paint looks like. Let me just pull on the camera so that you can see. So I bought in white paint, and I'm just going to pour a little. I'm just gonna do some swirls. This looks well incorporated. I'm just gonna pour. Okay, here we go. I'll start with a small amount of paint. That should be okay. Just trying to make sure that I don't make a mess. Now I'll close back. So there we go. This is how it looks like. So let's start painting.
Travel by nature.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but somehow these chairs were screaming for help.
Just to show you a closer shot of what I'm doing.
Travel by nature. By nature.
And this is where I'm dipping it in. I'm actually loving this. I think it's turning out great. I'm happy with everything.
Travel by nature.
Just a quick glimpse of what I've done so far. So this is the chair. This was the before, and this is the first coat.
Travel by nature.
This is very hard. It's easy when you're looking at somebody doing it, but actually painting line by line, you know, stripe by stripe, it takes a lot. But I've mastered the game, and yeah, let's keep painting. So it's almost like 20 minutes still painting the same chair, but I'm quite happy with my progress. I'm almost finishing. So I've done the bottom. Now I'm just doing the top part. So I'm not doing the backrest side of the chair. And yeah, it's a bit of a challenge, but there's a bit of a technique to it. If I flap the brushes like this, I kind of like cover everything. So that's what I've just figured. So if I flip the brush like this, so just a small paint, not too much, and I just flap it like this. And then so it kind of like goes both sides. Then after that, I just make a nice finish just by squishing up and down like this. So it kind of like makes the whole work easy. So the reason why it's taking this long is because there is a lot of parts on this chair. That's why it kind of like took me a bit of time. But yeah, I'm getting there. Hopefully by end of day, I would have done all the chairs. But so far, so good.
Can I help?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's been
I'm just gonna jump into help
Okay.
a little.
Sure.
Which one can I do?
so that one hasn't been done.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna bring up the camera closely just to show the before and the after, and then yeah, this is the first coat of this chair. As you can see, I've tried to cover everywhere where there was a bit of rust, and look at that. It's promising. Super proud of all the hard work that I've done.
By nature.
And this was the before, so this hasn't been done, and at least I have Ish who's coming to help me, and yeah, we'll do some magic on these chairs.
Travel by nature.
Right after so many hours later, we managed to do all at least 5 chairs, and these are all the chairs, and now we're left with one. You can see we still have quite a lot of paint in there, which is quite nice.
A little bit left.
Yeah. So moving over, and we have a little helper here. She just came from school and she said, I want to help. So hopefully we can push this and get it done before sunset. Right.
Then just go to the table and then start painting. Don't put your clothes on the paint. Okay?
Okay. That's my gloves right there.
Yeah. Okay, cool. You can just paint all the way around.
It's even nicer.
Yeah.
It's even nicer than I
So
thought.
just paint like you coloring your drawing book. Okay? You can paint all the way around. So you paint that side, I paint this side.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't put paint on your shoes, ne?
Okay.
Right.
But what happens if I do?
Then your shoes get spoiled.
And then they'll,
Then we can't clean them anymore.
yeah.
That would be bad, won't it?
And then I can't wear my Crocs anymore.
Yep, exactly.
Because these ones are only my favorite ones.
So make sure there's no paint on them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know why we're painting this table, because it looks a little bit dirty.
Yep, exactly.
And these gloves are too big for me, but it's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah.
As long as paint is not going on your clothes, right?
Yeah.
Then you're good.
Travel by nature. Travel by nature.
You guys just want to see our video and Breezy like our video, so make sure to subscribe on this button because we all love you.
Yes, guys.
Travel
Please
by
subscribe.
nature.
And like this video from our channel. Please subscribe from this channel because it's our channel.
And this was the final outcome after a very hard day of work. We had to leave them to dry for about a week before we could start using them. Surprisingly, the paint took very long to dry than we expected. We added the second coat when the first coat had dried. And now we were quite ready to enjoy the garden chairs and have beautiful dinners and host so many parties using these old chairs that we had brought to life.
Travel by nature.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to share. It will just simply help the channel grow. And see you in the next video.